Why am I doing this? What's the purpose? Number 8. Kaizen Leadership. It's not easy for managers to provide guidance. A proposal might seem full of problems, such as a lack of concern for cost, safety, or the problems that it may create downstream. It's easy to find reasons to kill any proposal. Managers should use their expertise to inspire creative thinking, to improve quality of the proposal. Focus on the strong points of a weak proposal. 5 points to productive guidance. Number 1. Clarify objectives, for the workers to make their equipment and production methods more profitable. Number 2. Create standards that simplify the process of evaluating proposals. Number 3. Emphasize, the essence of Kaizen is to seek ordinary solutions for ordinary problems. Number 4. Remind people the standards are usually obvious. Customer service people must provide exemplary service. Production people need to produce high-quality goods. Both slip and need continual efforts to improve them. Number 5. Let everyone know the bonuses and rewards for successful proposals, and to keep seeking ways to improve. It's up to managers to get good proposals. 2. Motivate the staff to come forward with new proposals. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next. Yardsticks to evaluate proposals.